Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the menu element. The menu element allows you to add a custom interactive and user-friendly navigation menu onto the page. Here I have a menu element on the page, and you can see the menu label. If I hover on it, it shows the menu items. Let's walk through the options the menu element has to offer. First, we have Preset. You can select the styles for the menu. By default, it is drop-down. I can change it to sidebar, and it looks like this. Or we can also choose fluid, and it looks like this. Let me change it back to drop-down. Next, you can change label type. You can set the label to be a text, and you can change the text like this. Or you can use a hamburger icon. We can change the font for the label and font size. Align it to left, to center, or to the right, like this. We can change the label color, let's say to green. Next, you can change the menu items. Click on Edit menu, and we can edit each item like this. We can change this one to About Us, this one to Contact Us, and this one to Policy. We can set link for each item. And save, and you see the items here. We can change the font for the items to Acme, font size, link color, link hover color. I want to add some transparency like this, and the menu looks like this. If you want to replace the original header, we can create a custom header. First, I will insert a row element here, and I want to select 3 columns. Adjust the column like this. I then move this menu element inside this column. Adjust the font size a little bit to 24. Duplicate to other column. Insert a heading here. And this one will be the store name. I have a custom header like this. Then I want to hide the original header. Go to Settings, Page Settings, and toggle off Theme Header and Footer. We want to add some padding. Much better. And the header looks like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.